Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Here we are going to tell you about an Google Chrome extension that gives you a new YouTube user experience. We are talking about Chrome extension named as Iridium, which gives you new options and features while using YouTube or searching on YouTube while watching videos on YouTube. So let's start with a video and see how it works. Open Chrome browser, search Iridium Chrome extension in Google. Here it shows the result, or you can search it in Chrome Web Store. Here is the extension. Features of this extension are play your videos in a pop-out window, turn off 60 fps, allow ads only in videos from your subscribed channels, blacklist entire channels from your suggestion and search results, make the player fill the entire browser with the full browser mode feature, player always visible where you want while reading the comments, player always playing while navigating away from the video page, reverse any playlist, take video screenshot and save them, view and save the video thumbnails like old time, bring back the total number of videos uploaded by the creator, use the relative video post time to know quickly how old the video is, control comment section visibility. If you want to know more about its feature, go to this link, and here the page shows all of the features of this extension. Link is given in the description. You can read later from there. Add extension. It takes a little time. Extension is added. Here it shows the extension. Click over here. Here it shows the setting of the extension. You can customize these options or features according to your needs. Channel setting, layout setting, and thumbnail settings. You can customize all these settings. Here are the video settings. You can on and off all these settings according to your needs. Here is the Iridium setting. Customize it. We have opened the YouTube to see how it works. Search internet over here. Here it shows the results. We play the first video. Here it is not showing the features because it's only compatible with the new theme of the YouTube. So we will go to the link. Link is given in this description. Here we will get the new YouTube look or theme. It's added. Now again we search for internet. Here it is showing the icon of Iridium. Play the video and you see below the video there are little icons. These are for Iridium extension. Here you can autoplay the video, full browser mode, take screenshot, check the thumbnails of the video. We click over here and here it shows the thumbnail. Then is the pop-up window. Here it plays the video in a new pop-up. Or if we go down, here you see another player. While we go down, video is also shown and we can read the comments with an ease. Here it shows the number of videos published by the user or creator, shows the time of the video uploaded. From here you can do all other settings like this and enable them. So you see how this extension helps you to enhance your browsing. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.